Hello, hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe coming with another video. And this video I'm going to do, it's for third graders. Yes, it's for third graders because I do tutor third graders. So I say, you know what? Let me put some videos out for some of the third graders, what I'm doing with my tutoring students. So like that the kids will have an idea. Whatever they struggle with, they could review. Remember, my goal, my purpose is um I'm concerned about the gap our children have. And then I'm wondering, what can I do to close that gap as a teacher myself? What can I do besides my kids? Yes, even though the kids in my classroom are not third graders, but what can I do to close that gap? So first it starts with you at home as a parent to close that gap. And then it comes towards my way to close that gap. So, so that's my, I guess, goal. That's my dream. That's my desire is to help as many children as possible to close that gap. So that's where these videos come about to create these videos. So I was teaching couple of my third grade. I have two third graders that I tutor, and then I saw something that they were doing. I said, this would be something good to share with other third graders that don't get multiplication. So we are going to start. I'm going to show you a little tricky way to help with multiplication. However, it does not take away your child needs to know the timetable. There are certain things we could get away from, but when it comes to multiplication, you have to know your timetable. You cannot have a child making, if they say 9 times 9, the child making 9 circles and put 9 dots. How long do you think the child's gonna take to count all these dots and all these circles? So take the time to sit down, print out the paper, write it out on card, or write it on a big poster board, and teach the child the timetable. And don't do all at one time. You could do one timetable. I think one, two, three, four timetable up to five is about pretty easy. And then you could slowly, give your child, it depends on your child. If your child is a fast learner, give them one a week. If they're a struggle learner, when I say struggle learner, they don't retain things that easily. Give them 2 weeks to learn it, but they have to learn it. Um, so that's the thing with multiplication. Same thing. In order for your child to do multiplication, they have to know how to do it. They have to be very good with addition. In order for them to do very good with addition, they have to do very well with subtraction. They have to know subtraction. And if they do very well with subtraction, division will be a breeze. So all of them go together. Addition, because when we first teach first graders, we teach addition. Then after addition, we do subtraction. After subtraction, we teach them equal numbers. So all those add up. And then when they get to second grade, remember I used to teach second grade, same thing again. We do addition, single addition, then we do double addition. At the end of the year, we start slowly introducing them to three-digit addition that you guys are doing in third grade. So, allo parents, myo, c'est Miss Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo. Vidéo ça, m'bral faire. M'bral faire les côtés, m'bral montrer ti moun yo un ti moyen qui jan pour yo faire soustraction. Pour yo faire multiplication. Multiplication, yo wal faire, m'bral montrer une technique. Mais faut que yo kontab yo. Faut que kon tab yo. So chache un tableau, écrit tab en pou ti moun nan, écrit sou papier, sou katab. Faut que kon tab yo. Même jan note kon tab nou, faut que kon tab yo. Pa gen pou ti moun la fait 9 fois 9 et puis pour la faire 9 boules pour le mettre 9 là-dedans. Combien de temps la prendre pour faire 81 ça? OK? So, so video sa se pou ede ti moun yo. Kom dap di avan, lem gade mwen kom si ti moun yo manke yo gon espas vide. Si ti moun nan jardin d'enfant, nan premye ane, espasan vide, li pa mitan, wè kote tek mwen yan nan mitan, espas men nan li vide. Ti moun nan pa konan yen, li pa nan nivou. So rev mwen, se pou mède ti moun yo, fèmè gap sa, fèmè espas sa, fè espasan vide nan ti jan fèmè. La pran ti tan, men ede l fèmè. Parce que si nou pa ede ti moun yo, yo pa kab avanse vers l'avant. All right, so let's get going. So I want to teach you guys. You guys gonna see it's awesome. So get your pencil ready, get your marker ready, get your clipboard ready, whatever you need to get ready. So here it is. It is amazing. You guys gonna like it. Let me get my whiteboard. Okay. All right. So as we're waiting for the whiteboard, I want to show you this technique. It's really cool. I thought that was really cool. Now, mind you, you need to know your timetable. You cannot do this if you don't know your timetable. So after I teach you that technique, make sure if you don't know your timetable, make sure you go learn it. So make sure nou konen timetable, tab nou kon tab nou, parce si nou pa kon tab nou pa kap fel. C'est pour nous comptable, nous. Faut que nous connaissons multiplication. No. You won't be able to do this if you don't know your timetable. But if you know how to do this, you're going to be like, what? Oh my God, that is amazing. All right, so you ready? So I'm going to show you. Okay, so on the paper, it's going to look like this. 2 times 90. So this is called adding, not adding, I got adding on my mind. This is called multiplying two numbers. So where's the two number? The two numbers right here. Okay, so here's the trick, right? You ready? Ready to blow your mind. So I'm gonna use a different color. So here you go. So what you need to do is you say, you could do it anyway. So this would be 1. This would be 1. So 2 times 0 is 0, right? Then you do the bottom one. 2 times 9, 18. Voila. Oh, what? Oh my God, that is so amazing. Yes, I told you. I got you. I told you I got you. All right, so let's do another one. Let's do another one. So here we go. So we're going to do 7 times 50. Now, mind you, I told you, you must know your timetable. This is not, oh, I'm going to make 5,000 circles. You're going to be here till Christmas come. All right. So just always make sure you do your 0 first. So number 1, you bring down the 0. Why the 0? Because 7 times 0 is 0. Number 2, you do this one. So let me write 1 and 2. Doesn't matter which one is 1. Doesn't matter which one is 2. Just do it that way. So this 7 times 0 is 0. And 7 times 5 is what? Hey, you're not going to make 7 circles in 5 times. Ooh, you'll be counting. Your birthday will come and be gone. So 7 times 5 is 35. So what's the answer? 35. Well, that's not the way my daddy showed me. So let me show you. Does your daddy do this? Excuse me. Let me erase that. Does your daddy do this? So whichever way you know how to do it, that's fine. Your answer must be the same. So I know my Haitian friends know how to do it like that. 7 times 0 is 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Same thing. Same thing. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do it in Creole for my Haitian friends. Where are my Haitian friends? Where are my Juvens and all, what's his name? Prince and all my friends. So here we go. So let's do this one. 3 times 80. 3 fois 80. So, l'on a fait multiplication, hein? Ou l'on va faire 0 avant. 0 c'est numéro 1. On fait 0 avant. On soit, ça fait me faire 0 avant, c'est pour qu'à songer pour faire 0. Ça c'est 1. 3 fois 0, 0. Numéro 2, on fait 8 là. So, 3 fois 8, 24. Bam! Wè ki jan fè? Hey! Oh! Ok. Ou dwe manti manje haisyen, ok? Wè montre ki jan pou fèl konè an nou fèl nan jan ou konè pa pou ap montre la. So wè pan 81, ou multipliye l pa 3, ou komanse kon sa, 3 fois 0, 0, 3 fois 8, 24. Même bagay. Mais c'est pour connaître multiplication. Si vous pas voulez comptable multiplication, pas là-dedans. Okay. So let's do some more. Hey. Oh, Miss Jerome is hooking you up. All right. So let's go again. Let's do number 1. Let's do the 0 first. I want you to do the 0 first so you could get in a habit of remembering the 0 because I don't want you to leave the 0 out. 4 times 0, 0. Number 2. This is number 2. 4 times 1, 4. Voila. Voila. That's all. Ha ha ha. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Here you go. 4 times 70. I told you I was going to blow your mind. 4 times 70. Let's do the 0 first so we could remember to get it done. 4 times 0 is 0. Then let's do 4 times 7. 4 times 7 is what? Oh, are you gonna sit there and make 1,000 circles, 7 circles and put 4 in there and count all of them? No, learn your timetable. 4 times 7, 28. Boom, boom. All right. So I'm gonna do the next one for my Haitian friends. Okay, so here we go for my Haitian speaking language friends. Miss Jerome got you. I got you. Pas gen problème. Map montre ki jan pou fè multiplication. Onje ouvri, onje fermé. Ki sa monsieur map montre ki jan pou fè multiplication. Onje ouvri, onje fermé. Okay, so let's go ahead. Number 1, premièrement, on va faire 0 avant. Ça fait m'vlo faire 0 avant et parce que m'vlo songer pour mettre 0 an. 4 fois 0, 0. Qu'on y a la deuxième partie, hein, c'est 4 fois 4. 4 fois 4. Oh, mais j'ai un baron ça 4 fois 4, non? Apprendre multiplication. 4 fois 4, 16. 160. Okay. So now I'm gonna do one more. I'm gonna do one more, and then after that, I'm gonna do one more, and I'm gonna do 2 more. I'm gonna do 2 more, but I'm gonna do it different, okay? So what if I did this? 4 fois, 4 fois, 4 fois 200. Oh, monsieur m'a pété fiel, moi. 4 fois 200. Facile. Fait 0 yo avant. Fait premier 0, hein? 4 fois 0, 0. Moi, m'a souligné li pour qu'on qui ça va faire. M'a fait deuxième 0. 4 fois 0, 0. Le deuxième zéro. On est là, on fond là. 4 fois 2, 8. Voilà. Mais réponse là. Oh, monsieur, ouais, me confuse, moi. C'est même genre, yo te montre, yo montre en Haïti, yo do 200 multiplié par 4. Ou dit 4 fois 0, 0, 4 fois 0, 0, 4 fois 2, 8. La même chose. All right, the next one for my English friends. Yes, I got you guys. I got you guys. So I'm gonna do, um, 5 times 30. No, 5 times 300. Like I was doing before, I need you to do the zeros first. And then, yes, put a line. Show your work. Boys and girls, show your work when you're doing multiplication. Don't take shortcut. Don't say, oh, I got it in my head. When you're in third grade, you got to show your work. OK? Dans la troisième année, il faut qu'on montre multiplication. Ou donc, on va faire n'importe quoi. But réponse souvent, faut que les mêmes bagailles. You could, boys and girls, you don't have to do it this way. You could do it any way your parents taught you, any way you want to. But all I'm trying to tell you is your answer must be the same. It doesn't matter which way you do it. So let's do the first zero. Put a line down so you remember which zero you do. 5 times 0, 0. And get another, and get another one. 5 times 2. 5 times 0 again. 0. Now, what number did I forgot to do? You could actually see which number didn't do because I made the line, right? Then now I could do 5 times 3. 5 times 3. Boys and girls, you must know your multiplication in order for you to do this. You cannot play guessing game. Oh, I'm gonna make 6 circles. Learn your timetable. 5 times 3, 15. And there's the answer. How do you read that word? 1,500. I should say, how do you read the number? 1,500. Okay, so let's do one last one. I'm looking at my paper, which one I didn't do yet. So let's do this one. 2 times 900. So now that I show you how to do the easy one, so I just add a few of those to show you how to do, if I add an extra zero. All I did was add an extra zero. So that's all. So make sure, what did Miss Jerome say to make sure? Ki sa me di nou make sure nou fe? Fe ling nan pou nou ka sonje ki numero nou make fe. Make the line so you remember which number you did not do or you did. So I'm going to do the first 0. 2 times 0, 0. Let's do number 2. And you can use color pencil, like just like I'm doing. You could use color pencil to do it. It's nothing wrong. I think it's very fancy with the colors. 2 times 0 is 0. At home, you could use the color pencil, but you know when you're in class, there's not that much time. So don't be playing around with the color pencil and get yourself in trouble. So, and then 2 times 9, 18. And how do we read that number? Put the line. 1, 2, 3, ba-bam. How do we read this? 1,800. All right, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to put 2 problems for you guys. I'm going to put one with 1 0, and I'm going to put one with 2 zeros, and send me the answer. Please send me the answer. I would love to know. All right, so here we go. We're going to do, which one I didn't do? Give me 1 second. So I'm going to do 7 times 60 and tell me what's the answer. And then the next one is going to be 3. I want to do another one. 5 times 500. and I want you to tell me the answer. Show your work. Have your mommy take pictures and show it to her. Tell her, send me a message. So like that, I see what you guys doing. So I'm trying to help because I'm trying to help third grade too. So you guys are in my bucket. So on my list, you guys are on my list. I'm trying to help you guys, but I want you to show your work. Don't be lazy and telling the teacher, oh, I got my gut tell me. Your gut is not telling you absolutely nothing. Ou pas dire, oh, votre mwen di moun kon sa, 5 fois 5, 78. Ventou trop plein, c'est pas ça, ventou te do. So, apprendre multiplication. Learn your timetable. Stop following your gut. Show your work. Suspend di, ou l'idée mwen di, non, l'idée pas important. Ça qui est important, ou connaît tabou. Ou connaît tab multiplication. Okay? So, I'm just going to write a little memo for the last one. I'm going to say, thank you for watching, and leave me a message. Leave me a message. Yes, I want you guys to give me a message. Send me a message and tell me, hey, Miss Jerome, that was amazing. Yes, send me a message. Don't just use it and then, or when you see me at the school, stop me at the school and say, oh my God, Miss Jerome, I love your third grade paper you did for us. Yeah, but tell your mommy, watch the video again. Parents, make sure the children are watching the video again. Learning how to do math is like learning a new language. So make sure they're watching the video again and again so they get the concept. They should not be able to tell you, oh, mommy, I got this. And no, at least they should watch this video at least 3 times. Parm yo, pa bliye fè ti moun yo gade video yo over and over pou yo kakoun ki chan pou yo fel. Pa dim ke sou premier fwa l gade lan, li te ke ta kompren sa la fè. Non. Fè ti moun ap parce ke lèl pral pran examen, video mpap devan. So c'est pour make sure li kon sa la fè. So parents, make sure that your child is watching the video because when they're gonna take the test, I am not going to be in front of them. But if they master the skill, they should be able to do it. And encourage them to show their work. Encourage them to know their timetable. Encourage ti moun yo pou yo montre matière que y a fait ki jan yo jwenn réponse. C'est comme ça yo montre yo nan 3e année. Et puis encourage yo pour connaître tab multiplication. Mais c'est ça seulement Miss Jerome te gen pour nous. That's all I had for you guys. I can never know how to get myself out of there. Give me 1 second. 1 second. Trying to get out my whiteboard. Oops, I did something wrong. Give me 1 second. Exiting. Okay, so I'm trying to get out the whiteboard, but it won't let me. But anyway, so as you guys could see that I am done. This is all for you guys. Let me know, how was it? Was it great? Was it helpful? Was it horrible? Tell me what other videos you want me to do. So I'm on Thanksgiving break. I'm trying to do some videos for kindergarten, for 1st grade, 2nd grade. And now I want to do something for 3rd grade so you guys could love me even more. All right, so I see you guys later. Bye.